Hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today, now, I've still got another Porky White's burger, which I'm going to cook, and I've also still got some black pudding. So the black pudding and the burger are both going to go onto the barbecue, and I'm going to put the burger in first and let that slowly cook, and then I'll add the black pudding a little bit later on, because I don't think it's going to take very long to cook. Okay, right. While that's doing that, what I've got some baby potatoes, which I'm just going to put into some water. Find the sauce, mate. Hopefully. Just gonna have a few of them. There you go. Just gonna add some water to that. Bit of salt in there. Bit of seasoning. I'm just gonna put them on to boil. So there you go. Just cut that and buttered it. That's all. And with this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get some olive oil, if I can find some. There's some there. I'll just chuck it in there a little bit. I'm just going to crack some black pepper in there. A bit of sea salt, rock salt. Once the potatoes are done, a bit of oil, air fryer, no, 5 minutes or something, and see how they turn out. Not cooked them before, so like that. Give it a go. Maybe a bit of cheese. So I've got still got a bit of chili cheese, which I'm going to put that on the potatoes rather than the burgers. I want the full flavour from the burger and the black pudding, really. Right, burger's coming on. Okay, potatoes are boiling. I've just stuck them on a timer, 7 minutes. Right, so I've got a bit of greaseproof paper there. All I'm going to do is one of these black puddings. I'm just going to smash it down so it's a little bit more sort of the size of the burger. Hopefully I can cut through this one. Oh, I aced it today anyway. There you go. Hopefully, he says. There we go. Look at that. That'll do. That's about the size of a burger, isn't it? Yeah, it's got to be. Okay, I'm going to go and get that on the barbecue. So hopefully, oh yeah, look at that, right about the right size. That does look nice. So, potatoes out. Hopefully I can just do something like that. It might just be easier just doing them in the pan a little bit. Oh, I've cooked them. So yeah, I don't know. Just gonna chuck them in there. Roll him around a little bit. and maybe even get one of them, just a brush. Just going to brush them over a little bit. First attempt and all that. So yeah, that'd be alright. Gonna chuck him in one of them baskets. And how they turn out is how they turn out. I'm just gonna put them in the air fryer. I don't know, 8 minutes maybe. 200. 8 minutes. 200. 8 minutes. Go. Aside is the roll, which I'm going to put on max crisp for 3 minutes. What max crisp? Start that. Eventually, I'm going to let them do their thing first. Go and check on that that beef burger and the black pudding. Ooh. Everywhere but nowhere. It's starting to break apart by the looks of it. Ooh. It's a lively one, this one. That's going to cook my phone. Let's give that a minute. Sorry. There you go, bit of charcoal on it. Black pudding looks alright. Let's get the hopefully. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, didn't lose much. Right. So there you go. Oh look, it's just starting to crumble. Just going to get some potatoes on there, crispy potatoes hopefully, and a bit of cheese, and might put some cottage cheese on there actually. Something healthy for everything that's not healthy. This will be interesting. Getting these things out. Oh. So, crispy, sort of. And I'll be honest. Well, it's just going to go on there, I think. There you go. So there's a There's a potato anyway. There's some chili cheese. Probably a bit too much again. Never mind. Doesn't matter. I know where it's going. I don't know how long it's going to last, and it won't be lasting long. Bit of cottage cheese on top. If you like it. Then you like it. If you don't, then, well, there you go. So dinner today, burger, black pudding, potatoes, cheese, chili cheese, bit of cottage cheese, and a tomato. And that's it. That was relatively easy. Weltering again, isn't it? So, I'll show you. I've just added some jalapenos on there next to the tomato just there. Obviously cottage cheese and all of that. But definitely, I wanted to see what it's tasted like with the black pudding and burger. I thought it would probably be a good concoction. I missed on the first bite. It's just starting to fall apart, that is. Black pudding. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Black pudding and the burger. It's definitely worth a try. It's full of flavour. Really is full of flavour. It's a decent burger anyway. And the I don't know, the potatoes. I'd try these potatoes with the chili, cheese. Oh yeah. Wow. With the cottage cheese is I love a bit of cottage cheese with it. If you love a bit of cottage cheese, then yeah, you'll like it. It tastes really nice. I think I should probably work on my mic placement so I don't sound like a horse. Yeah, eating. They didn't turn out, well, they didn't turn out perfect. Well, some of them, they'll be all right. Obviously, when you cook a jacket potato in the air fryer, you don't usually cook it in a basket, do you? So the air can get all the way around it, but obviously with a basket, it's just straight down on top of it. But it's all right. Tastes nice. So it's another dinner ticked off the list. Black pudding and burgers, definitely worth a try. Makes a nice change. This burger, should have done a couple of these. Or maybe just one burger and two black puddings. Or a black pudding burger. Right, everyone. See you later. And I'll catch you tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.